What if I told you that the cheapest car repair could actually cost you more? Let's say you talk to two shops and get two quotes. The first shop tells you to expect about $500, but the second shop tells you to expect about $800. Why the big difference? First, let's talk about parts quality. Likely, the cheaper shop is using cheaper parts. Most of the time, cheaper parts mean lower quality. Lower quality means they won't last as long. But you're on a budget, so you go with the cheaper option. The repair lasts 3 years, but now you have to pay to have your vehicle repaired again. Now you're $1,000 in the hole. The second shop, however, uses only original equipment parts or a good match. These parts cost more, but were built to a higher standard. This $800 repair lasts 10 years. Now let's talk about workmanship. Some shops have higher standards than others. A shop that springs for the lower quality parts probably has the mindset of getting as many vehicles in and out as possible. The mechanics may rush and get pressured to cut corners, lending to the likelihood of having to repeat the job prematurely. Now think about this. Let's say you learn your lesson. You went for the cheaper repair the first time, and now you want the higher quality repair. Now you've spent $1,300 when you could have spent only $800 to begin with. Before you go price shopping, I suggest, instead of letting your first question be, how much will it cost to, ask, what is your policy on diagnostic testing and evaluation? Or how do you assure quality in your repairs? Saving money in auto repairs comes from finding quality options rather than the cheapest price, because value is represented by cost over time, not price on the day of service.